Hello everyone and welcome back for another Dollar Tree review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Candy Moyo Cuticle Oil. This is $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. It is an essential nail and cuticle oil. This has such cute packaging. It's 11 milliliters. It's in a glass bottle. It has vitamin E and it has these really cute accent flowers. It's similar to another popular brand of cuticle oil and nail products, which is called Blossom. This is a peach scent. My Dollar Tree had peach and lavender scented oils. This is a thicker cuticle oil, the more thinner one, and then there's a thicker version of cuticle oil. That is this one. Those are known as jelly glaze cuticle oils. So this is a jelly glaze cuticle oil. It's made with mineral oil instead of like jojoba oil. It's a thick consistency. Basically, it's a thick consistency in comparison to regular cuticle oils, if that makes sense. This type of cuticle oil doesn't absorb as quickly into the skin. It sits on the skin and slowly absorbs. It keeps your hands oily longer, but it is very moisturizing, and I really like the nice sweet peach scent. It's not overpowering, just really nice. This product is a nice cuticle oil for less. I definitely recommend this if you find it in your local Dollar Tree, especially since it is like a jelly glaze cuticle oil. And this jelly glaze cuticle oil usually are more pricier. This leaves the skin and nails, cuticles, feeling moisturized for hours. I put this on my skin and my nails, my cuticle. I always put the oil all over my hands as well. Slow to absorb, but it is very, very moisturizing. You can feel this layer of moisturizing oil on the skin and cuticles, but there's no oily residue left on the skin after it absorbs. It feels very moisturized, and it feels like you have that layer of moisture and oil on your skin, but once again, it's not an oily residue that you feel like you can't touch anything. It just leaves the hands and nails and cuticles feeling silky smooth without that oily residue once it's absorbed into the skin. And this cuticle oil lasted for hours on the skin, nails, and cuticles in terms of how soft and moisturized my hands felt. So I really, really enjoyed this cuticle oil. I think it's super cute that it has those cute flowers in there. Very thick consistency. Slow to move around the bottle. It's my Dollar Tree review for today. I hope you enjoyed the review, found it helpful, and maybe try the product out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.